This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 19 of Building Robocop. This issue we're continuing with the leg, and we'll get straight onto it. After looking in the magazine, of course, we have Designing Robocop and the continuing story of that. If you want to pause and read the words, feel free. If not, glance at the pictures like I'm doing. Go through there. The building part is the left leg joint, the knee. We've got some more rubbery armour and plastic armour to put in place. Screw that onto the bit that we've been doing before. And that's that. That's what it's going to... Where it fits onto the model, and obviously the bit we've already done the other foot, so we're going to have to do all this again at some time soon. Machine palletizing, putting stuff on pallets by the looks of it, with machines. There we go, and more artificial legs in there, bionic prosthetics. Very, very cool. You definitely want something that's going to, better than the old plastic, just stuck in a pose. You want something that you can move and use almost as good, maybe even better than a real hand, because it can be stronger. Won't feel hot and cold and stuff. So there we go. Right, so before we get to the build itself, there is a free gift in this pack. We have another hat, a cap, the Robocop cap, nicely embroidered on there. Obviously one size fits most. Adjustable metal clip on the back there. Already pre-curved as baseball caps should be, so that will add to my collection. It's obviously too big to fit the model itself, so it has to be worn by an actual person. I might wear it at some point. I probably won't, but there we go. So that's that. Let me clear this out of the way and let's get on with the build. Yes, so we have another rubberized inner armour joint, which is quite nice. We've got some BP screws which we're going to be using, and the plastic framework. We also need, from before, the joint that we've been working up on. Basically this is going to start on the other end of that joint. So first up, let me just refer back to the instructions. I thought I could do this without the instructions, but obviously I want to check to make sure I get it the right way around. So with that way round and that way round, that goes on there like that. It goes all the way down, a bit further than that. There we go. A bit like that. There we go. And then this joint goes over there. Obviously we've got some attachment points here, which is what we're going to be using. Ignoring those two. Well, one of those goes into that big one at the top there. And the other one goes into that hole. So we do use those, just not for attaching much at the moment. I'm going to push this down even further so we can get to where we need to get to. We're going to be using these two holes onto these two pins at the moment, just like so. So that will go on there like that. We will use two of these BP screws to hold that in place. So let's get two of those out, leaving a spare and the label in the bag so we know what it is if we need it at some point in the future. And we'll put these screws through here, or just a bit like that, but almost better than that. We'll actually get it lined up so it fits in there like that. That one there, and that one in the other hole. Apologies if you can't make out very much of this, but it's all black stuff on black backgrounds, so not very clear, unfortunately. If it makes you feel any better, it's not very clear for me either, so there you go. See if we can get some light on that so I can see exactly what I'm doing. It's just about there. Could be just about there. There we go. That one in there as well. So once they're both in and secure, we can tighten them up. And I'm pretty sure that next time we will be putting some more onto there. The other side of this, no doubt. See where that first screw I put in is now. I think the rubber has moved a bit to get in the way. It's in there somewhere. Anyway, I shall find that off camera and get that tightened up. So yeah, that's what we've got so far. We're going to be continuing this next time, I'm pretty sure. Although they don't tell you what's happening next time in the magazine. But I'm sure we'll get to it. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying it. Do leave a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. And I shall see you for more very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.